Hello everyone, my name is Jaswant and I welcome all of you to the group discussion tutorial. Today we shall learn about the assessment parameters in a group discussion. There are many traits that are expected from a candidate performing in a group discussion. However, let's look at the following 5 crucial assessment parameters that recruiters wish to see in a candidate. I knew what to say, but I could not. Yes, many complain like this. Content is always the king. Opinion with logic, data, examples, facts, information, suggestion, explanation help you to contribute in a better way in a group discussion. I speak good. I'm fluent. Remember, being fluent only doesn't guarantee you success in a GD. What's more required? Listening skills and being assertive while communicating with the other group members. Just ensure that you express your ideas clearly and precisely, build on others' points, and sum up the entire discussion made by the entire group. As per a communication theory by psychology professor Albert Mehrabian at the University of California, 55% meaning is communicated through body language. Proper sitting posture, gesture, eye contact, and facial expression play a significant role here. Hence, bring poise to your gesture and movement. One of the essential assessment parameters is group dynamics. Under this parameter, the recruiters observe participants' willingness to listen, support and discuss various viewpoints, ability to appreciate sensible and logical viewpoints made by the other members of the group, and the ability to disagree politely. It's always said, lead by examples. Performance impact in a GD depends a lot on initiating a topic, directing the discussion, maintaining the harmony during discussion, helping other members to contribute, keeping track of time, summarizing, and concluding. I hope this tutorial could enlighten you on assessment parameters in a group discussion. Stay alert and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on the group discussion process. Thank you.